Installation details are placed on the screen using the Miscellaneous Symbols command. Installation details are individual drawings stored in the ProContractor Studio /MISC Symbols folder under the Irrigation Details or Landscape Details subfolders on the computer. You can edit any of these drawings or create your own. Before placing details on a design, it may be necessary to create another sheet of paper to serve as a details page. Click on the Drawing Page Setup command from the File menu, or click on the toolbar icon. Click on the Sheet Setup tab, and click on the Add button. Enter a new name for the sheet, and click on the OK button. Notice that you are now on the new sheet we just created. You can open the Miscellaneous Symbols command from the Draw menu, or by clicking on the toolbar icon. To place an installation detail on the design screen, double-click on a category with the left mouse button, or single-click on the plus sign to the left of the category name to view the symbols. Click one time with the left mouse button on a symbol, and click on the OK button to begin placing the symbol on the drawing screen. Set a point for the location of the symbol by clicking one time with the left mouse button. Set a second point to rotate the symbol to the desired angle. The dialog box will reopen to allow you to select and place another detail if necessary. Click on the Close button to exit the dialog box. If you need to adjust the size of a detail drawing once it's done on the design screen, select the detail and make use of the Scale command in the Edit menu. You can also use the Rotate or Move commands to reposition a detail on the screen.